shortly about how I became planner and about two my projects from many. So first my background is economics, and then I moved to CESIS and started to work with development plans, with territory plans, and everything was new from me. CESIS was new from me, planning was new from me, and I started to discover and to realize what is planning, what is how city is like moving, and what is going on in the city. First I discovered the map. I knew every street on the map, and then I tried to discover every corner and every detail in street. Yeah, I lost a bit. So industrial sites, very natural sites, all the historical sites. Yeah, and then I understood that I need some background also from planning side, and I went to master degree in spatial planning. So one of the projects is public space in towns. CESIS is very well known with historical parks, but the overall public space in CESIS is in bad shape. It's left without concern, but CESIS texture is very great and very attractive to public space. You can see how people right now uses the riversides and some left alone places, territories. So CESIS, there is a lot of rivers, small rivers, very hilly area, a lot of ponds, also parks. So it's very good to shape and to develop public space. So I developed the structure. Involved all different things, parks, apartment house territories, and then also created on map. Actually, they already exist some connections between those areas. And right now we are discussing with the local people. They are very open-minded, and we are preparing for this place development program. And I think in next spring we will start with local people working together to make some changes. This is my it wasn't okay. This is my free time project. It's concerned with old town development, and three girls, crazy girls, started to think that we have to show people that old houses and old town is very beautiful. The values of all the houses, even the house is not there, but the value of the house, the history of the house is very rich. So we made the stories. We looked for literature. We spoke with old inhabitants, and many students from literature students wrote the stories. Other people spoke as the houses in audio files, and in one day people could see the houses from inside and outside. So you can day by day see it. And we made a map and short stories about the houses on the map. Everybody could get it and see how it looks, and to hear and to see how the city was developing, and what kind of actions was going on in that time when the house was very active. For example, this was a shop in the former times. There was also shops, but very different house from others. So, and this is what I discovered this spring. This summer, I like to plan a Latvian and Estonian border. This was a rotted borderline, and I moved where everybody could see and not get lost. So it's 5 foot more Estonian border.